So in this section, we are going to look at our roadmap of this course. So you are going to, it will depend on your time or the time that you invest in learning, but some people can learn day and night, others can learn during day, others can learn only a few minutes per day, so depending on your pace. So don't mind about the period that I've allocated. But in simple terms, this is what we're going to be covering in this AI-assisted course. So we shall look at, in the first section, or the first topic, we shall look at HTML. So we shall see how we can use AI to accelerate our HTML learning. And basically here we shall look at structured and semantics of HTML. We shall understand the forms and validation of forms by use of artificial intelligence. And also we shall look at media and graphics. We shall also go ahead and proceed to our final project in this HTML section, or in this HTML course. HTML topic. We shall go ahead and build our personal portfolio page by use of AI as well, but while understanding the concepts of HTML. Then the next section, we shall proceed to CSS, and in CSS we shall understand what's meant by CSS, styling and layouts, and responsive design, what's meant by responsive design and why we need it and how to implement it, and then also animation and effects. And at the end of this section, by use of AI, agentic AI, we shall go ahead and implement our multi-page website. Okay, then we shall proceed to Bootstrap. We shall look at what's meant by Bootstrap and rapid user interface development. We shall go ahead and create our component library, where we shall design a lot of I've planned to design 20 different components that we can use in our day-to-day life in programming or in user interfaces. We shall go ahead and learn and understand the grid system by use of by the help or by the acceleration of artificial intelligence. And then we shall proceed to to professional business site. Then after, we shall proceed to JavaScript with the help of artificial intelligence. We shall learn programming fundamentals of JavaScript. We shall learn the DOM manipulation of JavaScript, and then interactivity and events by use of AI. At the end of this project, we shall be building our first interactive web application. By the end of this section, we shall proceed and build our first interactive web application using AI, or by help of artificial intelligence. Then we shall proceed to jQuery. It simplifies JavaScript, and it's a very popular library out there. And we shall get started with jQuery by use of artificial intelligence. And then we shall look at effects and animations, what's meant by Ajax and why it's important, how we can make use of it. And then at the end of this section, we shall go ahead and build our dynamic single page application using using artificial intelligence, while we are following up how artificial intelligence is doing is actually implementing these things. Then we shall go ahead and proceed to components. Here we shall design reusable user interface patterns, and also we shall see how we can get started with libraries. Okay, so here we shall build 20 different components using artificial intelligence. And our final project in this section, we shall go ahead and build. Our final project in this section, we shall go ahead and build 20 different custom components using artificial intelligence, but with our supervision and understanding how everything is done, as well as modifying some parts of how we want things to be like. So after that, we shall proceed now to our final project. We shall go ahead and build a complete website template, and we shall implement all the skills that we have covered in the previous topics and put them into a final project. And then we shall showcase our portfolio showpiece. So in simple terms, this is what you'll be able to do at the end of this course. You'll be able to build a personal brand website by use of AI. But here the main component is you'll be understanding what actually AI is doing, and using the good programming practices to build this. You'll be able to build landing pages with animations. By the end of the course, you'll be able to build interactive web application. You'll be able to build admin dashboard. You'll be able to build e-commerce product pages. You'll be able to build blog and component sites. You'll be able to build portfolio website, and you'll be able to build single page applications, or what we call SPA, and more. So that's what you're going to be able to do by the end of this course. And the most important part, you'll be accelerated with what? With artificial intelligence. So here are the skills that you'll master. You'll master HTML, markup, you'll master CSS3, you'll master responsiveness in web designing, you'll master Bootstrap framework, you'll master JavaScript, jQuery, you'll master the front-end components, you'll master AI-assisted development. This is the most important part, that in building this, you'll be using AI, and it will be assisting you, right? And then you shall master the Git version control. You shall master the web deployment, how you can publish your website, and you shall also master the debugging and best practices in in programming. So once we finish this course, there are a list of career opportunities that will open for you, and among them, you can be able to become a front-end developer. You can be able to become a web designer. You can be able to become a UI developer, or you can be able to become a freelancer or web developer. You can be able to become a junior, not a senior, a junior full stack developer. You can be able to become a WordPress developer, a Shopify developer, as well as digital marketing or technical roles. So this is what you're going to be doing. I mean, those are the opportunities that will open for you if you stick to this course up to the end. And the most important part, you'll be accelerated with what? With AI. So the task that you're going to be doing here is you have to create a vision board of 5 websites that you want to build by the end of this project. So I want you to sit down and then do this task. Go ahead and create a vision board. Design a vision board of 5 projects that you will need, or website that you will need to design or to build by the end of this course. So by the time we shall be learning, you'll be reflecting and see if actually these topics are ringing a bell in what you want to achieve by the end of the course. So let's meet in the next lecture, where we're going to look at we're going to get started, starting of setting our environment, installing the tools that are required, and get started with the actual programming of component of this course. So see you in the next lecture.